this is Rick Mouery with Mouery's Flooring, and today we're at a job site with this beautiful hardwood floor. This is called Grand Estates. The color is Thorndon Hall. We keep it in stock at our store. So it's a 10.5-inch wide, or 10.25 inch wide, 3/4 inch thick white oak floor that's been wire brushed. And this is actually an oil wax finish floor. So that's the purpose of this video today. This video is part of a series that we're doing on this Grand Estates. So I just want to describe or explain what oil wax floor is, why it's unique, and the benefits of having a floor like this. So Osmo is the manufacturer of this oil wax floors. There's lots of different manufacturers for oil finish floors. Osmo is the manufacturer for this floor. Osmo's actually been around as a wood mill for over 140 years. They're out of Germany. They've been selling their wax finish for over 50 years. They distribute it to over 60 different countries, so it's not new to the flooring industry. Actually, in Europe, over 75% of the floors that are hardwood floors that are sold and installed are oil finished floors, just like this Grand Estates here. So typically we see here in the US, we see a lot of urethane floors. So people always want to compare the differences between a urethane floor and an oil wax floor or an oil floor. So what makes this floor unique? So in a urethane type finish, if it's done in the factory, they apply 7 to 12 coats. It's topically dried. It's usually dried through an oven, and then it forms like an enamel on top. So all the wear and tear over the lifetime of the floor is all done on that top enamel. So scratches are scratched. There's not a lot of great ways to repair an enamel floor. On an oil wax floor, they actually apply 2 to 3 coats of this product with a buff machine, and it's buffed into the grain. It goes with the grain, so it's literally soaked into the grain, and it soaks into the grain enough to where it makes the grain harder from the inside out. So it's actually a harder floor. And then if you're willing to give it the proper maintenance over time, this floor is actually considered to be like a 100+ year floor without any sanding or finishing. So every floor is going to scratch, every floor is going to dent, every floor patina is out over time, whether it's urethane or an oil floor. So with like a urethane floor, say 20 years from now, you've got tons of scratches, you want to sand that down. You have to sand any texture out of it, you have to sand the patina, the aging out of it, so you're basically making that a brand new floor and applying another coat, more coats of finish. With an oil finish floor, like we said, as long as you're okay with the maintenance over time, you never have to sand this down. You never have to get rid of the patina that builds up, and that's the beauty of these floors. Over time, the patina, they'll age out. That never goes away on these floors. So Osmo provides 3 or 4 different products to maintain these floors, which we'll go over in another video. But as long as you're okay with that maintenance, and the maintenance isn't any different than a normal urethane floor, it's just different products, you can use these floors for a long, long time.